Hello everyone, welcome back to the OriginPro complete course. In previous lesson, we learned how to import Microsoft Excel file in OriginPro. In today's video, we will learn another one essential skill for how to import CSV and text file in OriginPro. Many scientific instruments, laboratory instruments, statistical software and online database export the data in CSV or text file format. Knowing how to import those files correctly will make your data analysis workflow much more efficient. By end of this video, you will learn what are the CSV and text file, different methods to import CSV file, different methods to import text DAT and ASC files, and import wizards, and the common import problem and the solutions for the OriginPro. So what are the CSV and text file? Before importing the data, let's understand those file format for CSV. The CSV is comma separated values. A CSV file store the data where each value is separated by the comma. For example, this is for the CSV file format, the comma for the every data, the date, height and weight, the day for 1, the plant for height 10 centimeter and weight for the 25 gram for the plant growth data, and another one for the text file format. The text file format OriginPro also supported for the several based formats for TXT, DAT, CSC and TSV. Those files may use different separated includes for the comma, tab, space and semicolons. The understanding this file structure help ensuring the successful import for the data in OriginPro. So why use a CSV and text file in OriginPro? So the CSV and text file are commonly generated by the laboratory instruments, environmental monitoring equipment, medical devices, statistical software or programming for Python, MATLAB, SPSS and Graphite PSMs. Those formats make it easy to exchange the data between different software applications. So the first one for the import the CSV file format, the method for the track and trap formats. So all the CSV files they enter for the Excel format and save to the CSV. So you track and drag to the plant, you select for the your correct locations the file and track and trap to the OriginPro. So this is for the one of the important method in the CSV file. The first one for the log name is day, height, weight and the plant the data for the date, height and the weight. And another one for the method, before the close the file, open the new project file, go to the file menu and open the file options, then selected for the correct locations, then the change to the file options, CSCI data. So view on the data in CSV file. This is for the text format file. First imported the CSV file, then open. Okay, the double click. The data is here. Open. Another one for the same method in the text file, same the file and open and the change to the ASCII and select the temperature for the text file format and open. This is for the text file format, the time and the temperature. the close the file, and understanding for the import the wizard method. The import the wizard help you preview and confirming the import the data. The key options include for the file preview, display how the data will appear after the import. The delimiter selections for the choose the character that the separated the value. Options include for the comma, tab, space, semicolon, and the customs delimiter. The always selections for the correct delimiter to prevent the data from approaching in a single column. So how the wizard import method? Go to the tool menu top for the OriginPro, import wizards. So the first one for the file type for the ASCT I selected, and the data source for the selected the file, and click to the buttons for the correct locations. You select the file. First for the select the CSV file, the plant growth, then add file, then click to the OK, then the open the import wizard source file, then click to the next. Note the view of the data file for the day, height and weight, the comma for the between the data, preview for this data. So this is a useful method, preview for the importing the CSV or text file, view on this wizards method. Then click the next, then next, and no changes any for the options, then click the next. So view for the A column for the day, and for the B column is a plant weight, and C column is a plant weight. Then click to the next button, view on this the data, click, then click to the finish button. Now the imported for the CSV file. The same method for the import the text file also. So same, like before the open the new project file, click to the import the wizards, the same the selected for the text file, OK, and click to the OK button. Another one shortcut method, click to the finished options, then also open the text file format. Another one method for the import the CSV and text file format. The wizard, another one for the single import a single ASCII format. This is open the correct method. Already this method view on this file, open the menu, and so also the same method, and shortcut for the in the toolbar, import the single ASCII format. Same method already selected for the CSV text ASC and text format. Select the file and click to the open, then click to the open. Before the check for the data column name is a first one for selected, because our data is first name for the log name, and the data has unit no mention for the units. So click to the OK, our the data is imported. And another one for the multiple importing file options in the OriginPro for the multiple project file. So same method for the import wizards, and then open the import wizard source file, data type for the ASCII, because only now the important for the CSV and the text file format. So select this is, so the data source for the file, then click to the button, then open the data file, select the to file, use for the control key, select the to file, then click to the add files, view on the file for the plant growth and the temperature below the options, then click to the OK button. Now the see on this the data, click to the next button, and view on this the data file, click to the next, and the next, view for the data file, then click to the finish. Now the two file imported, project file for the first one for the plant growth data and the temperature data. The before for the Excel sheet import method, the only open for the one project file, but multiple for the sheet file in the single project. But the wizard import method imported for the multiple project file in the single OriginPro window. And now the common problem for the import problem in the OriginPro, the first one for the all the value appearing in the one column. The solution for this problem, select the correct delimiter for the comma, tab, semicolon and also etc. Another one for the numbers imported as the text. So the clean the data before the importing, this is a solution for this problem. And the missing headlines, ensure the first row contained in the column for the names, you are clear for the missing the heading the problem. And the blank row imported, the remove unnecessary empty rows from the source file. Solution for this problem, the remove for the blank row imported. The another one for the special character the display in the incorrectly, the solution for this problem, select the appreciated the text encoding such as UTF-8 with importing. For the common for the text or CSV file, use for the UTF-8 encoding is a international language format, particularly not only for the English, another language for the Chinese, Germans and the Italians, the multiple languages used for this options, because the most of the scientific units mentioned to the encoding, so use for the UTF file format. Today's video you will learn how to import CSV and the text file format. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel in Statistics Bio 7. See you in the next lessons of the OriginPro complete course. Thank you for watching this video.